Go! All right!
See it, fancy pants.
All right, so on the next generation, there's legitimately a hole, an extra hole right here in the hinge that you put the bolt in there and it holds the hood vertical. But I'm pretty sure that if we move this bolt to this hole, it's gonna go vertical and we don't have to remove the hood. But you gotta take these plastic things off, otherwise you'll crush them.
But the current body style does not have this feature?
Current body style does not have this feature. The problem with letting a bunch of car group people sneak into the truck. All right.
I'm gonna hold this side.
Yeah, you hold this side. I'm gonna put these right here. Lift up and jiggle.
That is so ridiculous.
That way it gets the hood out of your way and you don't have
Ridiculously easy.
to take the damn hood off.
I still understand how I've never seen this before.
One of the engineers showed it to me.
Why don't y'all market this? Look at that.
I mean, let's be honest. Who wants to market? Well, in the case you have to change our engine, it's super easy because our hood comes straight up.
well, it's not even that. Like, whenever I was changing the knock sensor on that red one, like,
Yeah,
this
it
would
would've
have been convenient when I was crawled up in there. Hell yeah.
It's a nice feature.
Look at that.